Step into a realm where words shape realities and language wields an unseen power. A realm where the future is being woven by a unique blend of human creativity and artificial intelligence. Welcome, dear viewers, to the unfolding saga of AI prompt engineering, a groundbreaking discipline that puts you at the helm of generative AI. This thrilling journey, rife with endless possibilities and filled with intriguing twists, promises to challenge your perspective, captivate your mind, and potentially transform your career. So buckle up and prepare to dive into an adventure that's redefining the landscape of technology and human interaction. Trust us, you won't want to miss a second of what's to come. Step into the shoes of an AI prompt engineer, a master conductor orchestrating the symphony of AI agents. Your mission? To guide these intelligent machines towards creating outputs that are not only valuable, but incredibly relevant. It's a thrilling role that requires more language finesse and communication prowess than one might expect, making it accessible to a wide range of talented individuals. Imagine being the project manager of an AI workforce, shaping the future of human-AI interaction. As an AI prompt engineer, you hold the reins, refining prompts through an iterative process to ensure tasks are completed to perfection. But that's not all. Your creative genius shines when you define the persona or role of the AI, breathing life into its virtual existence. This crucial aspect leads to responses that are engaging, relevant, and undeniably captivating. To thrive in this enchanting field, communication is your secret weapon. Combine that with an unwavering attention to detail, exceptional organizational skills, and a talent for navigating complex data landscapes. Subject matter expertise, critical thinking, and project management prowess are also invaluable assets. Essentially, you become the vital bridge between AI and its effective use, a true maestro of language and technology. But fear not if you're new to the scene. Plenty of learning resources are available online to equip you with the principles and best practices of prompt engineering. Take a course, immerse yourself in this booming field, and gain a head start that sets you apart. The time is ripe to dive into this promising new frontier and witness firsthand the impact it's already making. These groundbreaking technologies possess the potential to revolutionize various roles, from marketers and HR, professionals to lawyers, programmers, and data analysts. They offer the tantalizing promise of freeing us from the monotonous grind of everyday tasks. As we navigate this new era of widespread access to technology, the question arises: how can we safeguard our uniqueness and ignite our creative potential? And how do we ensure that our work stands out, giving us that competitive edge in the business arena? The process often unfolds in an iterative fashion. A simple generic prompt may yield an equally unremarkable response. But don't worry, it is merely the starting point. Enter the prompt engineer, armed with their keen human judgment and extraordinary communication skills. They swiftly identify the shortcomings of the AI-generated output and embark on a quest to refine their prompts, seeking that perfect result they desire. Prompt engineering is a delicate dance between man and machine, a collaborative partnership where human ingenuity guides the AI's creative potential. It's the fine-tuning of prompts that allows us to infuse our unique flair into the AI's work, ensuring it resonates with our vision and stands head and shoulders above the crowd. Embrace the exhilaration, adventures of innovation, as you set foot into the undiscovered domain where the realms of generative AI and human innovation intersect. Here, within the dynamic world of prompt engineering, you will unlock a universe of infinite creativity. This is where you imprint your unique signature, surging beyond the realm of the ordinary, crafting your individual trajectory to success. Grasp this golden opportunity Hone the competitive edge that distinctively elevates you from the crowd, catapulting your business to the apex of success. Immerse in this electrifying journey, where every step forward is a leap towards shaping your future. With prompt engineering, the power is in your hands. Let your imagination soar, let your individuality shine, and let your work leave an indelible mark on the world. It's time to harness the immense potential of generative AI and embark on a journey where innovation knows no bounds. Are you ready to elevate your creations to extraordinary heights? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are infinite. Calling all tech enthusiasts. The job market for prompt engineers is booming, and the opportunities are as diverse as they are exciting. From digital advertising agencies to software developers, healthcare providers to utility companies, organizations of all kinds are eagerly seeking out prompt engineers to join their ranks. But here's the real scoop, straight from Time magazine. Job postings mentioning the magnificent GPT have skyrocketed by a staggering 51% between 2021 and 2022. That's right, folks. The demand for prompt engineers with a knack for harnessing the power of GPT is skyrocketing faster than a shooting star. It's a clear sign that this cutting-edge field is on the rise, with companies recognizing the immense value and potential of this technology. AI prompt engineering isn't just financially rewarding, it's a mesmerizing fusion of AI and human communication. It's a field where your language prowess can change the game, where your words have the power to shape the future. And so, we stand on the brink of this exhilarating frontier, teeming with limitless possibilities. The future of AI is in your hands, ready to be shaped and transformed. Immerse yourself in the magic of AI prompt engineering. Unlock your creative potential and make your dream career a reality, one riveting prompt at a time. As we pioneer the unexplored together, the world of AI is set for a revolutionary twist. So, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, your journey with us is just getting started. Subscribe to Fortune Start. This is Fortune Start, signing off until next time. Stay tech-tuned.